In this video, we'll go over some basic procedures that you will need in order to create and submit your labs in StatCrunch. Now, first of all, when you complete your lab, you will have data and you will have results. You'll need to save those in order to submit them with your lab. Now, to save a data set, you'll need to click Data, click Save, name your file, and click Save at the bottom. I'll close this now. I don't need to save that for the demo. Now, when you have a result, and I'll go ahead and create a result quickly here by computing some sample statistics from the column of data we have here. So I'll compute a result. Now this window here is called a result. The options menu contains a lot of things, and it contains a save option. So when you click save in the options menu, again, you'll need to give your result a reasonable title and then click save. Now that you have data sets and results, you can create your labs. Now in order to open the StatCrunch website, you can click StatCrunch and you can click open statcrunch.com. I already have that window open. Now once you get in here, what you will typically do is create a new report. I already have some reports created, so I'm going to go to one of my existing reports so I can show you what they look like. I'll click on one of the reports that I already have. Now you notice here that this report already exists. If you want to edit an existing report, you can click Edit here in the upper left-hand corner. And you'll notice there are a few important areas. First of all, the title of your lab. You need to title it with a reasonable title. You always need to click yes for both of these, share with everyone, and allow comments. Now, allow comments is defaulted to yes, but share with everyone is defaulted to no, so you need to switch that to yes. Now, there are three areas in your lab. There is a text area. In the body of your lab, what you need to do is type answers to any questions that are posed in order to interpret results and such. And the next area, you'll need to attach your results. Any results that you have saved anytime you have worked in StatCrunch will be listed here. You'll notice that there are a fair number of results here that I've saved over the years. And you have room for 5. There are instructions on how to attach more than 5 results if that is necessary. For some of the labs. And then of course the third area here is where you attach data sets. Again, any data sets that you have saved anytime you work in here should be in this list. Typically they are listed in chronological order. So the data sets that you've saved most recently would be the ones that are at the top of the list. Now, once you're done, you would click Save. And in order to submit your lab, what you'll need to do is, after saving, go up to the URL, right-click, and select Copy. In the lab, now it doesn't show here because I'm in the instructor mode, but there should be a Submit button. I believe in the upper right-hand corner, you'll have a Submit button. If you click that, there's a place where you can paste the URL for your lab. And when I click that URL, I will be able to see the lab that you submitted. As long as you selected to share that lab, I'll be able to see it. And that, I think, is just about it. So if you have any further questions, please ask. For the individual labs, I'll also be providing demonstrations for any of the necessary skills in StatCrunch.